how to create Binance wallet account. Creating a Binance wallet account, or in this case a Binance account, is very simple. Now you don't have to create separate wallet inside your Binance account. As you create your Binance account, the wallet will also be automatically created. So to create an account, open the Binance app, and this is the interface you will see. Go to the sign up login button. Now we just want to create a new account. Now before you do this, you can also directly continue with Google or whatever else it is that you prefer. Otherwise, you can enter an independent email address or a phone number. Tap on continue. After that, it will ask you to verify the email or the phone number that you have provided, and once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and tap on the create your Binance account button. Just make sure to enter it, and then after that, just verify your email address and so on. And once done, you will be able to create your password, verify the email, and then your Binance account will be successfully created. This way you can create a Binance wallet account. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.